guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I was very confused about what I was saying. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Today I have a Sephora haul for you guys. I don't order from Sephora very often, and when I do buy things from Sephora, it's usually like one or two things. But this time around I picked up a few extra things because the sale was going on. I got 15% off. 15% off ended up being like $18. Was it worth it? No, probably not, but I still bought everything. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing I got here is this Herborian CC cream. I've already tried this out once before, and I got the medium shade. I forget what it's actually called, but it's the medium shade, and it turned red. Like, it did not look good. It looked rough, like it was bad. So I got the fair skin one, so hopefully this one works a little bit better for my skin. Like I said, it is a CC cream. Does this have sunscreen? Yes, it has SPF 25. It is a Korean brand, I believe. The other one, actually, it felt really good on the skin, and even though it didn't look good, it didn't feel like it was clogging up my pores. It didn't feel heavy. It felt really light. It almost felt like I was wearing nothing. It felt like I was wearing nothing, but as soon as I looked at my face, it's like, oh, you're wearing something, and it's the wrong thing. But hopefully this shade will work better with my skin. The next thing I have here is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder. This is a mini version. I got it in the shade butter. And that's the shade here. I think that will work, especially for the under eye area. Any places where I'm highlighting and baking, this I believe is going to work really, really well for that. It doesn't look like there is any shimmer in it whatsoever. It doesn't say that it's supposed to be matte, does it? Light as air setting, photo soft finish for all. That's great because I like taking pictures and I don't like looking crazy in them. So I have this, like I said, in the shade butter. I got the mini one because it comes with a lot of product. In my opinion, it looks like it comes with a lot of product. Like, this whole section down below is filled. Let's pop this baby open. I also really just love Fenty Beauty's packaging. It's like so sleek and minimalistic, but it just feels so luxurious in a way. Oh, it comes with a tiny little powder puff. Okay, so tiny, so little. So here, oh my gosh, the holes are actually the Fenty Beauty logo. That's crazy. So there's a really good amount of product in here for a small mini version. The next item I have here is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. It says a velvety smoothing balm of pressed silk that primes and makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of skin, helping to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. You guys, I still have very problematic skin. I am 27. Now I'm at the point where I'm like worried about wrinkles and acne at the same time. It's not fun. I still break out. Throughout my teenage years, I really didn't have much acne. I had a couple of small spots here and there that people would make a whole big deal about, but in that time I was like, no, it's like one or two little spots. Like, it's not that much of a big deal. I just cover it up. It's okay. But my mom was making a big deal about it. One of my aunts made a big deal about it. My doctor made a big deal about it. And it was like, it's not that bad. And it really wasn't. I look back at my pictures during that time in my life, and I had really good skin. But as soon as I turned 18, I started getting a lot of acne. And so that's why I'm always trying to get products that will protect my skin, because I still have breakouts. I actually have two breakouts right now. There's one like right here and another one right here. These areas of my cheeks are always just messed up. So anything to protect my skin, keep it out of my pores, is worth the money to me. I actually also got a mini version of this too, because I didn't know how much I would like it, and the full-size version is expensive. Like, this is expensive too. This little thing was 22 bucks. So still costs a lot of money. Oh, it attaches from San Francisco? I didn't know that. I should get a discount for being a local. Anyway, here's what it looks like. The full-size version gives you a little spatula thingy to use, but this one doesn't, unfortunately. But that's okay, it's not a big deal. My hands are clean, so I'm going to take a little bit of this. Can't really scratch anything out of here because I don't want to use my nails on it, but it feels, oh, it feels so velvety. It feels really nice. And it doesn't have that much of a scent either, which is also nice because I don't like putting things that have heavy fragrances on my face. Just worries me. It's like it's another thing that's gonna break me out. They sent me the wrong samples. Like I didn't pick these, but it's okay. I got the Biosense. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Scholz. I don't know how to say these words. This is what I got. What's it for? Oh, reduces puffiness and dark circles. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Okay. It's wonderful because I am not sleeping well. And this Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser for all skin types. So that's cool too. I always like getting little samples because I like trying new things. I don't always want to buy new big things. The next thing I have here is a mini version of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I have never used this, but anytime that I tell somebody about my oily skin and how makeup just literally wants to run off of my face starting at my nose, they always tell me you have to try the Urban Decay All Nighter. It's really good. It's definitely gonna help. It's just great. You're gonna love it. I'm like, okay, and I never get it because it's just a lot of money to spend. So I got a mini version just to see if I like it, just to see if it works well for my skin and my makeup. So I mean, the mist feels nice. I don't feel anything wrong with it right now. It feels interesting. It doesn't feel like my other setting spray that I was just using from Milani. It actually feels like more than just water. I'm hoping that this will help with my oily skin and help my makeup actually stay on, because it sucks to put so much time into your makeup and making everything look good just for all of my makeup on my nose to just like come off. It sucks. So I have a few more things here. I've got the Fenty Beauty foundation. I already have one of these. I have it in the shade 190. I got the next one in the shade 185 because while I was looking at the chart, it said that 190 was for, I think it said rosy tones, and I don't have a really rosy tone. My tone is very like kind of yellow, kind of neutral. That explains why sometimes the shade that I'm wearing right now can get a little off. Today it's looking okay. Every time I use it, it looks different. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's not that thing's fault. It's my fault. I just don't know what I'm doing that's making it that way. 185, it's actually supposed to be like a true neutral shade. So that's what I'm hoping will happen. Hopefully it works out well for my skin tone. Of course, this stuff is great. It feels really light on the skin. It has medium to full coverage. Yeah, medium to full coverage. It works really, really good. I do 2 layers. That's why you guys like can't see my real skin underneath it, because I like full coverage when I'm doing a full face. Obviously, if I'm gonna go all out, put on a bunch of eyeshadow and lashes, bold brows and a bold lip and everything, I need to have full coverage foundation. It's just the way it is. So I also bought this guy. So this is my 3rd bottle of Fenty altogether. The next thing I have here is I got a lot of Fenty, you guys. I just want all the Fenty stuff. I got the Fenty Mademoiselle. I don't know, man. I took French for like 4 years and haven't learned a thing. But it's a Fenty lipstick. It's a matte plush lipstick, and this is in the color Spanked. It's this really pretty like mauve-y pink that I am obsessed with. Ooh, that feels really nice. This is such a pretty color. Totally a color that I would obviously wear quite a bit, especially now since I'm getting a little bit more into wearing pink lipsticks rather than terracotta shades. I still like, you know, my ginger from Kylie Cosmetics, but I am getting a little bit more into having more pinker My Lips But Better lip shades, as I say while I'm wearing red lipstick. This is actually the first time I'm wearing this lipstick, by the way. It's from NARS, called Star Woman, and it's the first time I've ever worn anything from NARS, so it's like a big moment. So the next item I have here, which is also the last item, is also from Fenty. It's the Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and I got it in the shade Island Ting. It's so cute. I love it. I love the packaging. This feels extremely lightweight, like lighter than I'm happy with, but it looks very pretty. And let's pop this open. Okay, it's a little hard to open. No shade to Fenty. I love you, Rihanna. Okay. Here it is. This is the bronzer shade that I chose. I think that would work in small doses. It's very, very pretty. I am a big fan. There's like no scent to it, which is also great. And this compact alone, like how cute is it? It's like this pretty kind of rose gold color, and I'm obsessed. It's so cute. It's so pretty. And of course you have the FB imprinted. I'm really excited to use all of these products. If you guys want me to do a makeup look where I feature mainly Fenty beauty products, please let me know. I of course buy all this with my own money. Fenty, Rihanna don't know who I am. That's okay. But let me know if you guys want me to do a look with mostly Fenty items. Like, I don't have everything from Fenty. I don't have a highlighter thing. Don't have her concealer. I did hear that her concealer is kind of heavy and it feels more like a foundation. But I can't always trust what people say. It just means I have to go buy my own. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.